What would your response be if the most terrifying creature that you've ever seen in a horror movie appears in front of you right now while you are completely immobile? A little daunting, right? This is what plants face every day. However, plants have a customized defense mechanisms. Some are mechanical, such as thorns, while some are chemical. And one of these methods that these chemicals are produced is through a class of enzymes known as OSCs, which is what I explore in my research. As shown in the first box, unlike traditional enzymes, OSCs can transform one molecule into a larger number of diverse products. I specifically study these OSCs in tomato plants, which I express in modified baker's yeast. As shown in the second diagram, I insert the OSC into yeast, which is a living organism. They behave as tiny factories that would do the transformation for me. And then I let them grow for 2 to 3 days and extract the products. This is non-invasive. Now, why is non-invasiveness important? Assume that there is an antidote for Alzheimer's in redwood tree. You could either go cut all the trees from California and extract the molecule, or with my method, you could insert the OSC responsible into yeast and extract the molecule and not even touch the tree. Therefore, my method, unlike conventional techniques, is far more fast, reliable, highly accurate, and of course, non-invasive. So far through my research, I have found that tomato plants have 3 functional OSCs, which is unusually low for flowering plants. And I've also discovered that these can make more than 50 products, which not only involves in defense but multiple roles. My current work entails understanding the distribution of these OSCs. When I complete my work, the knowledge I generate will have 2 implications. 1, we can produce tomato plants that are more resistant in bacterial attack or to fungal attack while still being immobile. 2, as these molecules have a part of customized defense mechanism, each of these have high potential to pharmaceutical potential to become novel drugs. My vision is that someday all this research would lead to the scenario where not only tomatoes, but any food that you would consume would end up being your over-the-counter medication to prevent a large number of diseases, including Alzheimer's. Thank you.